Okay guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to taper your sides semi-freeform dread edition, because that's the type of hair I got. So anyway, let's get into it. What's up everybody, it's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Okay guys, first things first is you need your Andes T-outliners to create your first bald line or guideline. It makes for a crispy guideline, very sharp and crispy, and you want to make sure you get it the same on both sides. Here I am on the other side, putting in that guideline. That's the bottom of the fade. Now I'm switching to no guard, lever open, and I'm going up about a half an inch. Like I showed you guys in the last video, the drop fade video, about a half an inch to an inch is all you need. Now I'm brushing down all my hairs, because brushing down your hair lays it all down and helps create a pretty fade. Now I'm using the one guard, lever open, and I'm going up another half inch. Take your time, brush down all your progress, and go back at it, and do the same thing for the other side. You're just repeating steps, and these are the steps I use anytime I fade my hair. I use these steps and these guards. Showing you guys how it looks so far. Now I'm going to the 1.5 guard, lever open, and I'm gonna go up about another half inch. And at the same time, I'm gonna start to fade with that 1.5 guard. That is a perfect guard to fade in between the 1 and the 2. Here in a second, we're gonna go to the 2 guard. There's the 2 guard, lever open, and now I'm scooping out. This is what I do for debulking hair. You want to make sure you debulk all your hair at the top of the fade. That way it makes for a nice box shape if that's what you're going for. Like my haircut style is a high top. So debulking with the scoop out motion, the closer I get to the dreads, the more I start to scoop out so I don't cut into my progress of growth. Now I'm going back to the 1.5 guard, lever open, and I'm gonna start the fading process in between the 1 and the 2. Now you can see it better on this side. The 1.5 guard is a perfect blend, a perfect blender in between the 1 and the 2 guard. And don't be discouraged if you see a dark line. Just brush it down, lay those hairs down, and then go back at it. You see where I pointed out that dark line? I'm gonna go back with it, the 2 guard, because it's longer hair at the top of the fade, and I'm gonna go attack it with the 2 guard. It's easy methods. First is no guard. First is the T outliners, ball line. Then is no guard, and then you have the one guard, and then you go into the 1.5 guard, and then the 2 guard, all lever open. At least that's how I do my steps. Simple. Now I have the 1 guard, lever closed to sharpen up or soften up, I should say, the bottom line. It's not going to take out the bottom line, but it'll soften it up to prepare for the 0 guard. And there's the 0 guard. Lever closed. And now I'm attacking that first line that I created with the 1 guard. Not the very first line that I created with the T outliners, the ball line, but the one above that with the 1 guard. That's what the 0 guard will take out, that line. And like I said, guys, patience is key. Patience is key. If you don't see the line going out, just keep hitting it. Keep touching it up. Close the lever, open the lever. Touch it up. Do detail work. Right on the other side. Now no guard, lever close will clean up that very bottom line. The first line we created, the first guideline we created. And guys, if this doesn't take out the guideline, the first guideline we created, and these T outliners that I'm using right now to give myself a lineup will. So don't panic. Just take your time. If you do all the steps I showed you correctly, the no guard lever close should take the line out. And now I'm lining myself up, pushing my hair back like I showed you guys in the other video, how to line your hair. I'll put it up in the screen above, so just check it out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just doing a little detail work. Comment down below what other videos you would like for me to do, and I'll do it for you guys. That's it. Looks real nice. Alright guys, the cut is finished. Tell me what you think. Nice and faded. Crispy line up. Looks good all the way around. The back, I really didn't touch up the back. I just gave it a line up and trimmed it a little bit, but it wasn't nothing serious. I just touched it up a little bit, no guard, because it was already faded, so I just enhanced it a little bit. But if you want me to do a full haircut tutorial, drop it down in the comments below and I'll do that for you guys. I'll show you the taper on the sides and the back, trimming hair down and all of that stuff. I'll do that for you. Not my dreads is gonna stay growing, can't do that. But for the sides, I got you. I didn't touch the sides really. I didn't really cut my hair on the sides. I just faded it, and that was that. That was it. But yeah, tell me what you think. Gave myself the crispy line up or whatever. Walmart clippers, you know what I mean? I got the walls from Walmart, the red and black kind, and I got the Andes T outliners, ones with the cord. All came from Walmart, so go get you some clippers and some T outliners from Walmart. You might spend just a little bit over $100 for both the clippers and the T outliners, so it's not that expensive, especially if you're learning how to cut your hair and no longer have to go to the barbershop and spend that money weekly, every 2 weeks, or however you do it. So go get you a set of clippers and handle your business on your own. Watch my videos and I'll show you step by step how to do it. If you have to go back and rewind the video just to learn the steps before you go in and get your clippers and stuff and start going in on your head and rushing, go back, watch the video step by step, and you'll be fine. You know what I mean? You'll come up like this. You'll come out like this. Walmart clippers. Crazy, right? Tell me what you think about the video. More videos coming soon. The next video I'll probably do will be my first wash. My first hair wash. I haven't washed my hair, guys, in about a month. And my hair is not locked up at all. I mean, it's kind of starting to bud up a little bit, but I know if I wash my hair, it's gonna unravel just a little bit. But hopefully, when I go through my method of washing hair, next video coming up, stay tuned for that. But anyway, you guys, this the cut. This is what you came for. Everything looks good. You know, hair still look good. My hair don't itch or anything like that, so I don't really have to wash, but I'm gonna drop one for you guys just because. But yeah, this is how you taper your sides. And I hope you guys love this video. It's your boy, Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.